morning, dears. Last day we have completed exercise 9C. 9D you don't need to do. No need to do 9D. Come to exercise 9E. Find the following product. Here we have learned addition, subtraction. Today we will be learning multiplication. Okay. Now, first one, you should know already. You know the rule of exponent. In this case, what we do, we just multiply the number. 3 sevens are 21, and the p we have the same variable, is a like variable. So what we do, we write p and we add the index. 4 into 3, 4 plus 3, 7. Means 4 times p into 3 times p, that gives you 7 times p. So 3 sevens are 21, p to the power 4, p to the power 3. So 4 plus 3, that gives you p to the power 7. Look at number 2. 5abc into minus 3pqr. What we are going to do? We are going to multiply the numbers. 5 3s are 15. 15. Now abc, pqr, all are unlike terms, so we will be writing it all together. In multiplication, we can multiply. I have told you the first day only. We can multiply the unlike terms, but we cannot add and subtract the unlike terms, is it? Look at number 3. It is given 2ab into 3bc into 4ac. First of all, multiply the number. 2 3s are 6, 4s are 24. Now 1a, 2a, so 8 square. 1b, 2b, so b square. 1c, 2c, so c square. This is the product. Come to number 4. M to the power 7 into m to the power 5. It gives you m to the power 7 plus 5, 12. Okay. Now come to number 5. It is given 2 by 3ab into 3 by 4ab into 2 by 3ab. Now this 3 we can cancel. This 2 2s are 4 and 2 I can cancel. I am left with only 1 by 3. AB, AB, AB. So 3 times A has come A cube, 3 times B has come B cube. In this way, it is done. Now look at question number 8. Once 8, you see. 6 by 7 a square c square into 5 by 9 a square b square into minus 3 by 5 b square c square. Now what we can cancel? 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. This 3 is cancelled, 5 is cancelled. Nothing else I can cancel. So in the number I am left with minus 1 by 7 because there is a minus sign. Now a square we have, then it comes a to the power 4. C square, so c to the power 4. B square, so b to the power 4. When it's just one line and we will get the answer, is it? Look at question number 12. Leftovers you have to do. I am not going to do all the sums here. 3 by 4 a cube, b cube, c cube into 4 by 5 a cube, b cube, c cube. Now, what you can cancel? This 3 we can cancel. This 4 we can cancel. Now, what I am left with? I am left numerator as 2, denominator as 5. Now, how many a we have? 2, 3, 5, 3, 8. So, a to the power 8, b also 8, b to the power 8, c also 8, c to the power 8. Done. Nothing else. Look at number 14. 6a square b square into minus 5b square c square into minus 3a square c square into minus 2ab c. First of all, we have to multiply the numbers. 6 5s are 30, 3s are 90, 2s are 180. So we'll write 180. Minus minus plus, plus minus minus. So minus 180. Now a square, a. How many a we have? A to the power 5. b square, b. So b to the power 5. C square, c. So c to the power 5 over. So like that we'll do question number 1. Look at question number 2. Here you have to find the value of the product if x is equal to -1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 0. So first of all we have to multiply the expression, then we have to place the value of x, y, z to get the numerical value of the expression, is it? Now look at question number 2. Here it is given 2x into 3y into -4z. X is equal to -1, y is equal to -2 and z is equal to 0. Now just to multiply, what does it is? 2 3s are 6, 4s are 24. -24 x, y, z. Putting the value of x, y, z. Value of x, y and z is equal to -24. X value was -1, y's value was -2 and z's value was 0. If anything is multiplied with 0, answer comes 0. So we have got the answer 0 here. Is it? Similarly, we'll do next one. Look at here. 4xyz into -3 by 8 xyz into 2 by 3 xyz. Now you just see 4 2s are 8, 2 I have cancelled, 3 also cancelled. So I am left with -1 x cube, y cube, z cube. Putting the value x, y and z, it gives you and z -1 into -1 whole cube into -2 whole cube into 0 whole cube, or the answer is 0. So whenever we have z, answer will come 0 only. Now look at question number 3. Here we didn't have z, so here answer will be something else. So both the z ones I have done. Now 3, it is given -2x square into -3y square into -4xy. Multiply -2 into -3 into -4. 2 3s are 6, 4s are 24. Minus sign, because minus plus minus x square x, so x cube, y square y, so y cube. Is it? Now putting the value of x and y, -24 into -1 whole cube into -2 whole cube. Is it? So this gives you -24 into -1 into -8. So the answer will be minus plus minus. 8 4s are 32, 8 2s are 16 and 3 19, -1 92. Okay, next two you will do, I'm not going to do. Look at question number 3. Here also you have to evaluate the product when the value of a, b and c is given. Look at question number 3. So similarly to question number 2 only. Okay, 2 sums I will do. Next you will do. 3 is given. A is equal to 1, B is equal to -1 and C is equal to -2. Look at number 1. Is A cube, B cube, C cube into A, B, C into 2a square, b square, c square. Is it? Now multiply 2a, 3, 4, 5, 4, 2, 6, a to the power 6, b to the power 6 and c to the power 6. So 2 into -1, sorry, a's value is 1 to the power 6 into -1 to the power 6 into -2 to the power 6. Is it? Now the powers are even, so we'll have the value positive. 2 to the power 6 gives you 64. When you multiply 2 to the 4, 2 the 8, 2 the 16, 2 the 32, 2 the 64. So this answer gives you 128 is the answer. In this way we have to solve question number 3, is it? Look at this one. Okay, see question number 5 from 3. This is 2abc into 5a square b square into minus b cube c cube. Now multiply it. 2 5s are 10 minus 10 a cube b to the power 1 2 3 3 6 6 c to the power 4, is it? Now minus putting the value of a, b and c, minus 10 into 1 cube into minus 1 to the power 6 into minus 2 to the power 4. This gives you minus 10 into 1 into 1 into 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. So the answer is minus 160. Okay. Now look at question number 4. Here you have to get the products of question number 4. It's given 2x into x plus 1. What does it mean? This 2x is multiplied with both. So this gives you 2x square plus 2x. Done. Look at question number 4 for this. 4 2 a square minus b square. So this gives you 2a to the power 4 b square minus 2a square b to the power 4 over nothing else. In this way we have to solve the questions of this exercise. Look at question number 8. Okay, first 6. 2 by 3 AB into 3A minus 3 by 4 B. So first you multiply 2 by 3 into 3. So this gives you 2A square B, because this 3 will cancel. Now come here. This gives you minus 1 by 2, because 3 will cancel. 2 to the 4. 1 by 2 A B square. Done. Now look at question number 7. 5 by 6 a square b square c square into 3 by 5 a cube b cube c cube minus 4 by 5 a cube b cube c cube. Is it? Now you see, first 5 will cancel. 3 2s are 6. 1 by 2 a square a cube a to the power 5 b square b cube b to the power 5 c square c cube c to the power 5. So with this it is multiplied. Now come here. 5 will cancel. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. So minus 2 by 3 a to the power 5 b to the power 5 c to the power 5. Is it? Now you can see these two are in like term. So what we are going to do? We are going to solve it further. So what will be the LCM of this two? 6. 2 3s are 6. So this gives you 3. A5, B5, C5 minus 3 2s are 6. So 2 2s are 4. A5, B5, C5. So this gives you minus 1 by 6. A to the power 5, B to the power 5 and C to the power 5. This will be the answer. You have to keep it in mind. Here I have not put together, because it was a square b, it was a b square. They were not in like term. So once the answer comes in like term, we have to merge it. Okay dear. Hope other sums you can do from question number 4. So you finish up to question number 4. Next day we will be solving question number 5 and all. If there is any doubt regarding 1, 2, 3, 4, you just let me know in the comment box. I will be solving your doubts. Okay. Thank you.